was the most unique UT. One, it was post-COVID. Two, it was a hybrid model. So it was virtual and it was also in-class model in which the 48 participants had to go through a very grueling, nearly 4-week exercise, and with each day it has been moving forward and becoming interactive. And let me tell you, the chat site was absolutely on fire because everyone, not only from Pakistan but also the Kenya observers, the Mexico observers and the whole team sitting in Vienna, everyone was participating, and we were cross-learning, we were cross-sharing, and we were building upon the knowledge, the foundation which was set by the International Academic Group. And now we are ready to move forward to the next step, which is phase 4, in which we are going to be embedding these same modules into the curriculum of final year students.
It was exhilarating, and I think we learnt a lot because we learnt about those things that actually Pakistan needs. We need to inculcate the ethical behavior within our kids, and so that they can become responsible citizens down the road. So I found it very informative, but it also surprisingly helped me with my teaching skills. I feel that I'm a better teacher after having gone through this. As a university teacher, everyone should go through this so that they can inculcate it within their students and in their teaching practices.
It has provided us wonderful insights how to embed and incorporate these things into our different courses, how to relate that content with the ethical issues, behavioral issues, ethical leadership, and including the hot issue globally and in Pakistan, the corruption. So it has provided us indigenous material, so it will really help us in encouraging dialogue, conversation and discussion in the classroom.
It was a wonderful opportunity. Basically, the contents of this course and the 4 different modules that were selected for us, they are quite important, and they are something which we actually need as a society, especially in Pakistan. They were highly contextualized, and the challenges of ethical living is something which is practiced every day. We as individuals do a lot of things that actually, without even realizing that they are not quite ethical in nature, we do them.
The expectation was that we would be bombarded with a lot of jargon and rhetoric regarding ethics, but what we came to know about was that how these simpler forms of modules on ethics can be actually learned and understood and be imparted to the students in the future. I think a very good initiative by UNODC, and I believe that this would go a long way in developing a society which is more ethical